Okay, folks, so another Black Bandit video. This series, it's going to be on port and polishing, which we all love. So I got the cylinder taken off. Here it is in my hand. Go over a couple things when I move to the table. So with the cylinder, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to port this out. Right here, you can see where I've actually marked there, all the way a little bit up there, a little bit up here too. Basically what I've done is I've matched the inside of that as close as possible. I'll square it out obviously, but the idea is to have no restrictions between the intake of the cylinder and the intake of the carburetor. Also, what I've done here, just zoom out a little bit, is the exhaust side. This bike, it has a jog 50. You'll see it in some of my other videos there, but there's a jog 50 pipe, and the pipe here you're looking at, this is a 1 inch inside diameter. So what I've done is created a 1 inch inside diameter loop, but I'm going to try to take it as close as possible. I'm not going to hit this line, this outer line. I'm going to try to just stay inside that line, funnel it in. I'm not too sure about going with a directly straight 1 inch hole all the way through there. I don't know if anybody's done this particular build like that with a 1 inch all the way through. That'd be pretty close. It'd probably mess with the timing a little bit. So I'm going to funnel from the outside in, just kind of create a bit of an angle, like a funnel inside there, so that there's no restriction on the exhaust. Also, what I'm going to do here, which I've marked, is on the inside of this flange, there's a lip. And what that lip does when this motor is running, it's going to create back pressure because the flow is not smooth. I'm going to match all of this to that. That's the idea. I know it's a little messy right here, but you know, you can obviously see the line that goes here. It's just a marker. Anyway, for guys that are enthusiasts and do things like this, we just know what we're doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna open that up, and once that goes on, there'll be a very free flow, nothing restricting it, and that'll probably help on the gaskets. I've put over 600K, and I've only done one gasket here. But with this, I would imagine there's gonna the pressure wave that's passing through the exhaust and through the muffler, it's now going to go through the muffler instead of having the lip here that creates some kind of restriction. The tool of choice and the bits obviously will be a basic Dremel. As you can see, I'll be using this particular grit here. This one will be just for on this side, cutting the exhaust open. And on this side, I'm going to use the smaller one, as you can see here. I'll use that for the intake, as you can see. It'll just get in there. So the next time I create a video, you'll just, these will be cut. Everything will be opened up. So anyway, stay tuned. I know it's a little messy here, but this is what we do, guys. We experiment, and we do it where we need to. That's the benefits of hobbies and having fun. Anyway, stay tuned.